name is Gwen, I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making a cold process soap for my father, brother, brother-in-law and nephew. Another one of my soapy madnesses. Game of Marble, my mystery soap was very light, so I went with the same idea. A surprise soap that will gradually reveal itself, this time imitating a summer sky. To perfume the soup, I choose to use the Hypnotic fragrance oil from Aromat'Easy. He has paled enormously over time, but has kept this little creaminess. The foam is abundant and creamy. It has pleased a lot of persons, like every time I realize it. I really like the result, and you, what do you think? So, you can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.